how to make GIFs like this and short video clips in Scratch. Let's go! First things first, let's search up Scratch Cat GIF. So let's search Scratch Cat GIF. And after this, let's go into images and let's choose a sprite we like. So yes, let's choose this one. Scratch Cat walking with his backpack. There should be a GIF file. So save image as Scratch Cat GIF, and it should say save as type GIF image. And then open Scratch. Let's open Scratch and let's make a new project. Okay, so bye Scratch Cat. Of course we don't need the Scratch Cat, so get out of here. Okay, then upload sprite and bring in the GIF we downloaded, Scratch Cat GIF, and it'll take some time. Yep, there it is. And now when you go in the costumes, you can see all the 13 costumes it has. So let's start the coding. Events when green flag clicked, forever repeat 10, and let's change the repeat 10 to repeat 13 because there's 13 costumes, and inside that let's put the next costume block. So as you can see, when you click the green flag, it'll start the GIF. And don't forget to bring in the switch costume to the first costume, which is the Scratch Cat GIF, so that it always starts from the beginning. Okay, so this only runs one time, but if you want to make it run it in a loop, all you need to do is replace it with a forever loop. So we'll take a forever loop and then we'll put the next costume block inside of it, and ta-da, there we go. Now it's running in a constant loop, just like a GIF does. So some of you might be wondering, how do you bring in videos? So for that, you'll need to convert your video into a GIF, the MP4 file into a GIF. You can do that by searching and going into websites like I searched simply MP4 to GIF. Upload your files in one of these websites and download it. And I've already done that, so I've taken some part of Jackson Academy's video and I've turned it into a GIF. The more the costumes it has, the more time it will take to import. Okay, now it's done. It's imported into our Scratch project. So go into costumes, first check out how many costumes there are. There are a total of 75 costumes. So this means, delete. This means that we'll need to repeat 75 times. So just like the previous coding, it'll be the exact same. So repeat 75 times next costume, and after the green flag click, switch costume to the first one. So here you go, that's your video clip as a GIF in your Scratch project. And as I told you before, if you want to turn it in a loop, all you need to do is bring out the forever loop and put the next costume block into the forever loop, and above that switch costume to Jackson Academy video GIF, which is the first costume. And there you go, this is all done. So this was how to bring GIFs and video clips into your Scratch project. It's really easy and it takes a few seconds, milliseconds. What's after milliseconds? Wait, what? I don't know. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and that's it. How to make GIFs in Scratch like this and short video clips in Scratch. If this video helped you in any way, make sure If this video helped you in any way, you don't need to hit the like button, but do hit the subscribe button. See you next time. If this video is beneficial to you in any single way, make sure to hit the subscribe. Make sure to hit the subscribe.